Hey guys, you asked for it. Here it is. Today's video, I am making empanadas. Yes, you guys, it's really easy. Now, if you're interested on seeing how I make Haitian patties, check the link down below. This video was highly requested, so here it is. I am going to show you guys this recipe. It's so easy and it's really good. Be sure you subscribe if you're new here, like the video, share the video, and comment down below. Without further ado, let's get started. Alrighty, to get started, I am going to cut my pepper. I'm not sure if this green, red, orange pepper. Just going to cut it up really small. Next, I am going to cut up some yellow onions. Next, I am going to cut up some garlic. If you have minced garlic, you can use some, but I like to use fresh garlic, so I am going to cut up some garlic really nicely. For the seasoning, feel free to use whatever seasoning you want. It's your empanada. Do what you want with it. Now, I am going to use some ground black pepper, cumin. I am going to use chili powder, and also some SAZON seasoning. The one that I'm using is I don't even know. I don't speak Spanish. So that's the one I'm using. I will make sure to put the exact name down below. And now I am going to slightly cook my onion and my red bell pepper. Just add a little bit of oil, not too much, because you're going to add the beef in there, which has fat in it. Once it's nice and cooked, put it on the side. We're going to cook the beef. I am using half a pound of beef, okay? Half. Now we're going to let that cook for a little bit until there's no more blood before we start adding the seasoning. Once it looks like that, we're going to add the seasoning in. Before I do, I am going to add my salt. Just sprinkle a little salt on there, and then we can add the seasoning. Just mix that up really quickly. Now I am going to stir it up. Make sure all the seasoning is well incorporated in there. And then I am going to add my garlic. I am going to give it a quick mix again until it's nice and well mixed. Once that is done, I am going in with the cooked red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, orange bell pepper. I'm kidding you guys. Just the pepper and onion. Just add that in there. Mix it up together. Feel free to add more seasoning if you like. I will put the measurement that I use down below, but it's your empanada. Do what you want. Now for some spice, for some, hotness, I am going to use some hot sauce, Tabasco brand. You can use some jalapeno to spice it up, to make it spicy if you like. Give it a quick mix. It should be done. This is how it looks. Now for the empanada, this is the brand that I'm using. It's a Goya brand. Take a really good look at this, because this is lifesaver. Go to Walmart, you'll find this. This is an empanada disc. Okay, go to Walmart, you'll find it in the frozen aisle. So yeah, thank me later. Before I add the empanada dough on there, I am going to add a little bit of flour, and then we're going to add the dough on there just like that, so it doesn't stick. And then we're going to add the filling. Now they're very small, so just make sure not to add too much, because if you add too much, you're not going to be able to close it. Just add a little tiny bit of ground beef inside. Now to seal the ends, I am using a fork. Make sure you press it down really good because you do not want your empanada to open while it's frying. All the oil will get inside. Just seal it really good. Alrighty, we're going to try one more just to show you guys last time how I did it, and then we're going to start frying it. Once they're done, this is how they're supposed to look like, nicely done and uniform. I am going to fry these on 340. I'm not sure how long. They're pretty thin. They shouldn't take a long time to cook, so just keep an eye on them while you're frying them until they're nice and golden. Once one side is nice and golden, flip it over so the other side can cook. Once it is done, this is how it's supposed to look like, nice and golden, and it just looks so appetizing right now. It is all done, you guys. You can eat it with your favorite sauce, whatever you like. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. Comment down below any other suggestion. This video was highly requested, so I had to do it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Be sure you like the video. Comment down below any question, any suggestion, and I will see you guys very soon. Check down below for the recipe, the measurement, the ingredients. I love you guys. Have a good night. Bye.